Inovaxe was established in 2003 with keen focus in providing complete material handling solutions to electronic manufacturers.
Panasonic Connect and Inovaxe have a partnership in which we get together on a quarterly basis to be able to brainstorm gaps and blind spots that still remain in the material management process.
In 2014, I called the race between the towers and smart cards started. We were introduced to Panasonic. They had the vision of seeing the difference between us and the towers very early on. And that's how we got introduced. They came down and visited us a couple of months after that. And of course, we were very small at that time, and they were able to see the capabilities that we had, and the solutions we had was indeed the things that their customers needed.
There is a great importance of data manufacturers. Ultimately, everybody needs traceability these days. You know, a lot of these products are going into automobiles, into other equipment that has some safety standards. So traceability is a very important element from a data perspective. Being able to capture the material and all its traceability attributes from the moment it's introduced to the floor and throughout the entire manufacturing process is critical.
The manufacturers rely on data more than ever because they need to make the right decisions to keep their lines going. One of the biggest challenges that suppliers have to meet the needs of the manufacturers is getting data accurately at the right time. With Inovaxe system, the information gets transmitted to them in real time.
So for instance, we've had a major customer of ours that was able to reduce storage space of their components by 18,000 square feet. They were able to reduce the frequency of replenishment of parts at the lines that they have from 20 minutes to have 5 days of line side storage. And they were able to reduce the replenishment of their main warehouse area to 15 days and realize a 3% improvement in OEE as a result of implementing an integrated solution between Panasonic and Inovaxe. The result of that, both Panasonic Connect through our integration with Panasim software, as well as through collaborative hardware development with Inovaxe, are addressing these market needs.